5 Best Pressure Washer. We are going to check out top 5 best pressure washer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this pressure washer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer powered by Honda GC190, 3200 PSI at 2.5 GPM, black. Honda GC190 Premium Residential Engine. Maintenance-free OEM Technologies Axial Cam Pump. Note, keep maximum fuel level 1/2 inch, 12.7 mm, below bottom of filler neck to avoid fuel spillage. Welded steel construction frame. Pump hose connection, threaded M22 connection. 10 premium pneumatic wheels. 5 quick connect nozzle tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap. All pressure washers are 100% functionally tested in factory and may contain minimum residual fuel oil or fuel odor.
Top 4.
Greenworks 1600 PSI 13 at 1.2 GPM pressure washer. 1600 PSI at 1.2 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability. 20 feet high pressure hose for greater reach. 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. Soap applicator to apply soap to completely clean any surface. 40 and turbo quick connect nozzles and attackable detergent bottle to complete any job. Universal motor, 120, 60 Hz, 13 amps.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Sunjo SPX 3001 30 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 AMP electric pressure washer with hose reel, green. Powerful motor, powerful 14. 5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 PSI/1. 76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Quick connect spray tips, 5 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40, and soap, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Onboard reel keeps 20 feet, 6 m, high pressure hose organized for quick and easy cleanup and storage.
Top 2.
Sunjo SPX 3000 SJB Pressure Joe 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer, dark blue. Powerful motor, powerful 14. 5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi/1. 76 GPM for maximum cleaning power and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit.
Top 1.
Generac 7143E Start PW Kit. One touch push start, electric start with auto choke provides reliable, hassle-free startups. Li-ion battery and charger included. Battery holds charge for up to 18 months. Power Deal Spray GUN, easily adjust the pressure needed between 4 different tasks, car, wood, concrete and soap, at your fingertips. 12-inch power broom and soap blaster included. 4 quick change nozzles included, 0 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, soap.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.